Yeah, I need to clean it up. Basically, I want you to generate a graph, and then this kind of explains how to generate the graph, how to time a box of code. I can do this real quickly. Okay, you need to generate a line. And we're going to count the number of visits in bubble sort. Right. No way. There we go. Okay, so we're going to use bubble sort. I want you to count the number of times you visit an array element in bubble sort. This is kind of the code. Then I want you to take that, write it to a file. Right, so take the output. What does it say output? It generates data points in a CSV file. That's how to do it. So, and then read that CSV file directly into Excel. You'll need to use how to read and write files in Python. Let me make a link. How to read and how to write. You don't really need to read a file. How to write to a file in Python. Oh, there's the W3 Schools one. Is it correct? Open file, fwrite, then read a file, open, write, close. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, small link, but it's in there. Okay, so that's sort of a second task to do this. We were just counting steps in an algorithm. If you have issues, let me know, and I'll clean this up even more for doing that. Okay, questions?
I had one in regards to the